All right, we're out on a little bike ride. Look at this little guy on his race motorcycle, which goes 200 miles per hour and really loud. Let's see you get it going really fast again and hear it. You gonna do any tricks? You didn't know it?
No.
You were going so fast right there.
When I turn, I just slow down and brake a little bit, and then I kind of just go really slow and turn.
All right, here we're gonna stop the video. So you want to say anything to the camera before we?
I love going 200 miles per hour because I want to go 200. I want to go 100 miles per hour on my motorcycle. And I will. I can make stuff go 200 miles per hour and 300 and 100.
All right, you heard it. You heard it first. He's gonna be the first 4-year-old going 200 miles an hour on his motorcycle. All right. We'll get that on YouTube as soon as it happens. Talk to you later. Bye.
And we're racing.
And we're racing.